MW Canada is a manufacturer of engineered materials for a number of different end uses. We weave, we knit, we coat, we dye, we finish a number of other types of laminations. We don't make commodity product, we make unique products. We have to be different than everybody else. Canada is not a cheap place to manufacture. We can buy the same equipment as anybody else, but what really makes your business thrive is your people. Continual education is one of our core values. We have a wide range of ages of employees, from employees that are retiring over the next 5 to 6 years to entry-level positions, from supervisors, technical skills, to machine operators, to technicians. Technology involved in our types of processes has changed dramatically. Everything has gone to electronics, wireless communications, so the skill level that we require employees to have, people don't really come to the door with those skills. Employees realize that the job they do today, as they do it today, whether it's 6 months, a year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, will not exist. We realized that if we didn't take the training into our own hands, we weren't going to have employees for the future. CMN had a program to start a portal and skills development. All of this stuff is internet-based, all of it is web-based. And we started there and I realized I needed a full-time person to drive this. And we hired a full-time HR and what we call skills development person. What we did was we built a separate freestanding unit inside the plant, the ER room, education room. All employees have access to it. It has a number of benefits. Employees have to take responsibility in their ongoing education. People that work every day and want to better themselves, but you know, they work hard and they have responsibilities. Yes, they can go to night school and that stuff, but you know, after a long day of work, by having it in an in-plant setting, it makes it far easier for them. It's a long-term type of project. We continually have classes, we continually do different programs. We've worked with every employee and found out what their skill level is so that each employee is on an individual learning path so that they can go at their own speed and we can focus in on exactly the skills that they need to move them forward. As they learn new skills, they become more confident in what they're doing, they become better problem solvers, which in turn leads to less downtime, less having to ask a supervisor what to do when they know what to do. Employees that work in teams, they talk to each other, they have far more confidence in their own ability to solve problems from all levels throughout the business. That in turn saves us money. Saving us money means more benefits to the employees and the business. Our employees get, we call it an incentive. As their skills go up, we set the number at the beginning of the year, that's the target. And every month they get to see a percentage number of the goal. If they're over 100% of the goal, that leads to a bigger incentive, money that goes into their pocket at the end of the month, and we pay that out toward the end of the year. So what that does is in departments that work in teams, it's interesting that if you bring in somebody new and we've taught them new skills and it's 3 months, 4 months, 5 months down the road, the employees in the department will help each other. But if somebody's not carrying their weight, they'll go to the supervisor and say, he's costing us money. It's very interesting as opposed to the supervisor always being the bad guy. What skills development, whether it's essential skills, whether it's technical skills, what it's really all about is increasing employees' confidence, which gives them a better work life, a better home life, and a better family life. But it's a long-term project. You can't stop. There's always have to be something going on. We always have to move forward. And that's what makes it a success. Investing in your people is the only way to a successful future.